Flight of the CrowsWing presents 26 modifications to our Flagstaff Epro 19FD, Part 2 of 4. Changes and additions to the bathroom, living room, and bedroom. As stated in our last video, we recently switched from living outside of a teardrop to living inside of a small travel trailer while work camping. To make the new trailer more comfortable for living in full time, these are more of our modifications. If you haven't yet, please check out part 1 of our series. To refresh your memory, the floor plan is 2 rooms with a small bathroom at the rear of the trailer, and a single, larger room that serves as a dining room, kitchen, living room, and a bedroom, with a Murphy bed. The sofa is a jackknife sofa that folds flat to allow the Murphy bed to open. And now, onto our continued list of modifications. Number 11, we recovered the valances. The valances are simply attached to the wall with 2 L brackets, and they came off very easily. All Elizabeth needed for this modification was fabric and a staple gun. She simply folded the fabric over the original valance, tucked it in, and stapled it down. Number 12, we built a shadow box to display our treasures. The treasures we talk of are those interesting items we find along rivers and hiking. Number 13, not truly a modification, but we did have to repair our split cupboard doors. This seems to be a common problem with Forest River products. They're not glued, they're simply held together with these little plastic butterfly splines. We simply glued, screwed, and clamped these back together. Number 14, we changed out the cabinet hardware. The old hardware was modern and sharp-edged. The worst was the cabinet underneath the dinette. The hardware caught our ankles every time we walked by. The new hardware is much less ouchy. Number 15, we changed out the shower sprayer and added an additional shutoff valve. The shutoff valve is especially important when we're trying to conserve water. Number 16, we added a razor holder, soap dispensers, and a toothbrush holder. Number 17, we changed out the bathroom doorknob. The old doorknob would snag our shirts as we walked by. Number 18, we replaced the mattress. After living in the trailer for only a month full time, the old mattress was already shot. The new mattress we purchased from Walmart has been a huge improvement. It is 2 inches longer than the old mattress and weighs quite a bit more, but it is much, much more comfortable. Since it does weigh more, we do travel with the Murphy bed down so it doesn't stress the hinges. Come join me on the bed. I don't give out that invitation to just anybody, by the way. But look. Number 19, Elizabeth made a bolster for the head of the bed. And you can read, you can watch TV, and there's no big hole between the bed and the wall. And that is because my beautiful wife, she's a winner. She took our old mattress and turned it into a backrest headboard / gap filler pillow. It is this nice triangular shaped cutout of the old mattress. It just sits right back against the wall, fills in the hole that your pillow falls in at night, and man, does it work like a charm. It is great. And it just sits up here right in front of the pillows when we had the bed closed up. It's all strapped down. Number 20. We added shelves to the side cabinets. The cabinets are used for clothes storage. The shelving is just boards that lays on aluminum angle that is screwed to the walls of the cabinet. Number 21. We built shoe racks. The shoe racks are mounted with bolts into the back of the dinette. They feature a gap at the bottom for easy cleanout. Gangsta. Number 22. We added reading lights next to the bed. We can use these when we're reading from the couch or when we're reading from bed. They're simply tied into the 12-volt wiring that is already in the driver's side cabinet. It has a USB port over here, so you can plug your phones in at night, and it takes pretty much whatever shape you want. It also has a red light so you don't kill your eyes. Number 23. Cover the lights on the panels. These lights are ridiculously bright at night when you're trying to sleep. Our simple fix was to adhere a strip of Velcro above the lights, and you can attach a 2-inch strip of Velcro to that. The same modification worked for the microwave. Number 24. We installed a cell booster. We purchased this kit from Walmart.com. It's a WeBoost RV65. Our kit came with everything we needed to install it. When people say you never need geometry after high school, they're wrong. We needed to use Pythagorean's theorem to figure out where we could mount the interior antenna. WeBoost is powered by the step light switch. So when you hit the step light switch, it powers on. The antenna to the WeBoost is mounted on the wall underneath the window on the door side of the FD19, right at the back of the couch. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to check out the next videos, parts 3 and 4 of this 4-part series. It's covered in nice soft sheepskin, and you can just sit and rest against it, and it is, ooh man, it is nice and soft. Wow. I could really take a nap, because this filming thing is hard work. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and don't forget to check out our channel.